Tired of missing out on crucial market movements? I'm here to show you how Pocket Options alert system can be a game-changer. First, log into your Pocket Option account and navigate to the trading interface. Look towards the top of your screen. You will see the Assets button. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with all the available assets. Select the specific asset you want to track. For example, if you are watching USD, click on USD to select it. Next, look for the alerts icon, which looks like a bell. It's usually located to the right of the chart. Click on this icon to open the alert settings. A window will pop up, prompting you to set your desired alert parameters. Here, you can define the price level at which you want to receive a notification. Type in the target price, then click the Create Alert button at the bottom of the panel. Once you've set the alert, you'll notice the alerts icon change its appearance, indicating that an alert is now active for that asset. You'll receive a push notification on your mobile device or within the platform the moment the price hits your specified level, allowing you to react instantly, and that's it. Now you're all set to make informed trading decisions with Pocket Options' powerful alert system. Subscribe for more Pocket Option tips and tricks. Happy trading.